Busy day today.
Busy day today. Going to be another busy day for tomorrow. So let's talk Cosmic, New Mexico.
Cosmic?
Okay. Yeah, you've never heard of Cosmic?
I didn't know.
It is a reporting site that tells us about some of the precipitation on the southern edge of the Sacramentos. Now you're saying, why in the world are we talking about Cosmic, New Mexico? Because it's a good example of what could happen for us tomorrow as well. With the moist flow coming out of the south, we push it up over the mountains of the southern Sacramentos and you start wringing out the moisture. Now, as you do that, you can pile up some pretty good rain numbers, and that's exactly what happened for Cosmic today. They ended up close to an inch of rain, and they could be looking at much more, and this could also happen in the Gila. It could happen in the Sandias and Manzanos as well. So we do need to watch out for some of our mountain sections because what happened in Cosmic could happen to you. So we watch out, and we'll let you know. In many ways. Anyway, here's a look at what's going on. Flash flood watch for tomorrow. Some concern for slow-moving thunderstorms across the western two-thirds of the state. So we're going to watch out for that possibility of flooding issues there. Again, watch the mountains as an area to keep most concerned with. But again, even valley sections, once we roll those storms into the valleys, could be an issue as well. Quiet right now in Albuquerque. Couple sprinkles earlier. Not much going on for now. And we do still have some storms hanging over Catron County where a flood advisory is about to go off the board. And you can see things starting to weaken here. But across the boot heel, we still have some pretty strong storms in eastern sections of Hidalgo County, and Hidalgo County could well get into the act again for tomorrow as well. As far as temperatures go right now, 60s and 70s off to the north, down to the south, temperatures for the most part in the 70s for us. Satellite and radar shows things starting to calm down. Part of what's helping us generate a lot of these storms is the heat of the day. So once we lose the heat of the day, a lot of the storms die off, only to return again for tomorrow. Now, the areas we're watching most closely, obviously the western two-thirds of the state have the best shot, and that does include the Albuquerque area. So why not the east? Well, the eastern part of the state is closer to high pressure, and so therefore we're not getting the lift out to the east that we get in central and western sections. So you guys out east stay pretty calm because you're close to the high. The rest of us on the periphery of the high get a better shot at picking up those scattered thunderstorms. And that continues for tomorrow. But the key is the position of that high, because as the high moves, we'll start to see the precip move. And the high is eventually going to push over New Mexico and shut everything off. But that's probably not going to happen until the beginning of next week. So until that happens, we will continue to see a pretty good shot at showers in the western half of the state. Out to the east, you guys get a lot of heat. So good chance of rain. Northwest, 81 Chama, 94 Farmington, and 87 in Gallup. Northeast depends on where you are. If you're in the mountains, Red River, Taos, Angel Fire, good shot at rain tomorrow. Drier, Clayton, and Tucumcari. Back toward the south and west, a good chance of at least scattered showers here as well. Over to the southeast, good chance of rain in places like Alamogordo and Cloudcroft, but quieter in places like Carlsbad, Hobbs, and Lovington. East Mountains, plenty of sunshine early and then increasing clouds late with scattered storms by the afternoon. Temperature 70s and 80s. And over to the Albuquerque area, we're going to see the same sort of deal. We're going to see, if we do see, some sun early, and then it's going to be increasing clouds and some scattered storms here as well. Watch those arroyos. Stay out of there. Santa Fe 7-day outlook. Scattered storms out there possible for us through Sunday, and then the high comes overhead and shuts off the moisture tap. Same deal here in the Albuquerque area. Classic monsoon stuff. We crank up the afternoon thunderstorms only to crank them down in the evenings.
Classic cosmic monsoon.
Yeah, that's right. Watch Cosmic.
Wow.
Hey, we'll keep you updated on Cosmic throughout the rest of the week, I promise.
Appreciate it.
Yes.